In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily integrate Salesforce and Asana with automated two-way updates. By the end of this, you'll have a seamless connection between these two powerful tools, allowing you to boost productivity and streamline your workflow. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, navigate to your browser and head over to Asana's homepage. If you're a regular user, you'll be quite familiar with logging in. Go ahead and enter your email address into the designated field. Now click on the Continue button. As you do this, have your password handy because you'll need to enter it next. Once you've typed in your password, hit that Login button and allow Asana to load up. Once you're on the Asana homepage, you'll see a list of projects you have access to. Choose the specific project you want to integrate with Salesforce. Click on that project to open it. This will bring up a detailed view of all the tasks and data within the selected project. Take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with what's there. Now to move forward with the integration, click on the Customize option, which you can find in the project toolbar. This opens a menu with various options to tailor the project settings. Hover down to Apps within this menu. The Apps section is where we'll be doing the bulk of our integration work. In the Apps area, click on Add. This will prompt a list of available integrations compatible with Asana. Locate Salesforce in this list and click on it. You might need to scroll a bit if you have numerous apps available. Selecting Salesforce sets our stage for the actual integration process. Next, you'll see an Add to Project button. Click it. This will prepare Asana to link directly to Salesforce. What's left now is to connect this newly configured setup to your Salesforce account. Select Connect to Salesforce. As you do so, a window will pop up, guiding you through the necessary steps to finalize this connection. The final piece is crucial. Following the prompts to complete the integration, make sure you authorize all necessary permissions to ensure a smooth data flow between Asana and Salesforce. This ensures that updates made in one platform are automatically reflected in the other, giving you real-time synchronization and peace of mind that all your data is up to date. And there you have it, a fully integrated and automated two-way update system between Salesforce and Asana. Remember, this setup not only saves time but also enhances the collaborative efforts within your team, allowing everyone to stay on the same page without extra effort. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you work smarter, not harder.